Hello everybody, it's Stefano here and I teach Italian on italki.com. Today I'll be teaching you how to make nearly every word plural in Italian. Before I start, please subscribe to the Italki YouTube channel to get interesting learning content. Let's get started! Plurals can be hard sometimes, but keeping in mind these 6 rules, you'll be able to make any word plural. These rules don't apply to exceptions, of course, but it's a good starting point. Tip number 1. Masculine nouns ending in a. Even if this might sound a bit silly to you because words ending in a are usually feminine, there are several masculine words ending in a in Italian, such as problema, il problema, or il tema. As a general rule, words ending in ma are usually masculine. The plural of these words is in i, so you would say I problemi, I temi. Tip number 2. Feminine nouns ending in a. This is pretty straightforward. All feminine words ending in a have their plural in e. For example, palla becomes palle and casa becomes case. Tip number 3. Nouns ending in o. Doesn't matter what the gender is, all words ending in o have their plural in I. For example, la mano, which is feminine, or il gatto, that is masculine, have both their plural in I. So you would say le mani and I gatti. Tip number 4. Nouns ending in e. Again here, no matter what the gender is, all words ending in e have their plural in I. Il cane becomes I cani. La canzone becomes le canzoni. Tip number 5. Nouns ending in I. There are a few words in Italian ending in I. They're not super common, but they do exist. They don't change a plural, so they keep the I. You would tell that a word of this sort is plural by the article. So for example, la crisi becomes le crisi. Tip number 6. Words stressed on the last letter. Words such as caffè or città are pretty common in Italian. They don't change a plural as well. So you would say le città and I caffè. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Italki YouTube channel to get more tips on learning Italian. Take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description box below. Ciao!